Hello everyone, and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will continue our Argent NFTs playlist with the third Argent NFT, and I also will show you how to mint the first Argent NFT. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So obviously we will use Argent Wallet for today's transaction. So if you don't have an Argent Wallet or don't know how to use it, you can check out our Argent Wallet tutorial video from the top right corner and then continue to watch this video. So as you can see from Argent Wallet's tweet, we need to use Jedi Swap to get the third NFT. Now in our previous Argent NFT videos, I already showed you how to make transactions on Jedi Swap. If you have made any transactions on Jedi Swap after watching the previous videos, you don't have to do anything extra because you are already eligible for the third NFT. But if you haven't watched our previous videos and haven't made any transactions, just open up app.jediswap.xyz, and as always you will find all the links in the description box below. Then connect your Argent wallet. After connecting your wallet, just make one single swap transaction. For example, type down an amount you'd like to transfer as Ethereum. And again, if you don't know how to transfer Ethereum to Starknet, check out our Argent Wallet tutorial from the top right corner and then continue watching this video. And then choose a token to swap to and then click on swap and then confirm the transaction from your Argent wallet. And that's it. You are eligible for the third NFT. Now with this out of the way, let's have a look at how we can mint our first NFT. Just open argent.xyz, and again you'll find the links in the description box below, and you will see the mint button right here. Just click on it and then click on check eligibility. You can see it says congrats, it's yours, and also there's no rush because we have 1 year to claim. And after you click on claim now, it will ask you to confirm the transaction from your Argent wallet. There's no rush. If you would like to pay less transaction fees, you can wait, mint this NFT for another time because you have 1 year to claim your NFT. All you have to do is to pay for the transaction and click on confirm. Right now there's an error on the Argent wallet, so I'm not able to mint it, but that's all you have to do to mint your first NFT. And also, after minting your NFT, you will see your NFT in your Argent wallet. As you can see, it says explore. When you click on it, you will see your first NFT. We will continue showing you how you can get all 8 NFTs from Argent wallet. So far we've showed you how to get the first 3 because Argent only announced how to get the first 3 NFTs. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And with that said, I will see you guys in our next videos.